I'm going to show you how to create camera shake with Kdenlive. Alright, so I have the video here added to media and video track 1. So I'm going to play this original video and see how it looks with no camera shake effect. Okay, so I want to add camera shake to this video, and I want to add camera shake at the point in time where the skateboard hits the ground. So right on this point in time. And what I have to do now is separate the section of the clip where I want the camera shake. And to do that, I have to select the scissors, navigate right over the video here, and then left click. So basically split the clip, then move the playhead just a few milliseconds in time, just around here, and then split the clip again. Okay, now deselect the scissors, zoom in on this section of the video. Okay, so this is the section that we just cut, and this is where we want the camera shake effect to happen. So what we have to do next is navigate here to the main effects and find something called position and zoom, and drag and drop it to this middle section here. Now you can see position and zoom settings opening here. So make sure you select this video, then click on size and change the size from 100% to 110. Okay, and then make sure you center horizontally and also center vertically like this. Okay, once you do that, then navigate back here to video track, right click on your video, copy, and then here in video track 2, paste the video. So make sure the video is aligned one right above the other like this. And next what we have to do is select this video here at the top, take the scissors again, and now chop it up into a few different sections like this. Okay, now deselect the scissors and now delete every other part of this video. So I'm keeping the first one, deleting second, and deleting the fourth section here. Okay, now I have 3 sections left, and what I have to do next is select the first section here, navigate here to center horizontally, and then align top. Okay, now on the middle part, center horizontally, but now choose align bottom, and on the last one again center horizontally and again align top. So what we're doing now is basically moving the video up and down on all 3 sections. So it goes align top, align bottom, align top, and this should actually create this camera shake effect to your video. Okay, so now if I play this, you can see that the video moves around and it gives that sort of camera shake effect. So now you're ready to go to project, render the video, and okay, so I'm going to render this video and see how it looks. Okay, the video is quite short and not much processing going on there, so it only takes us a few seconds to render this video. And let me open this video and see how it looks. Okay, that's not bad. So that's some decent camera shake going on there on this video. And that's it pretty much. This is how you add camera shake using Kdenlive. So if you found this useful, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.